Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Odusami. Training with IT Online was an interesting journey. I learned several web development applications from Python to CSS to HTML to so many tools that has actually, upgraded my understanding of how to actually build a web project. And the experience was not only rewarding, I was also able to apply that to the career that I have today. As a specialist financial services person, the knowledge I have gained training with IT Online has been very, very rewarding. And come with me today, let me show you how I actually work from day to day. So my typical day starts with me making myself a cup of tea. And I actually work from home, so the knowledge of the web development course that I actually went through with IT Online, and I can actually be able to combine my family life with my work life. So the day actually starts with me setting the tone, making sure mentally, physically, emotional wise, I'm actually ready, and having myself a very warm cup of tea. It's actually a good way to start, and I'll take you through what my usual day starts with, and hope you enjoy it. And welcome to my desk. Because I work from home, I try to make sure I have the proper office feel, and I'm also able to ease myself into and out of work. And my first port of call is to catch up on all my emails. So I go to my inbox, I check all the emails I've not been able to respond to, because some of my clients they still prefer reaching out to me via emails, following up with some of the tech challenges, access challenges that they're having. I'm able to troubleshoot and follow up by responding. I actually have an email here from a client who is actually looking to get access to our platform via his smartphone. And while I'm doing this, I also make sure I keep an eye for my calendar for the day, because I work with a large team, and we are always making sure that we review what was done yesterday, what were the challenges, and how we can actually do it. So it's quite very, very important that you are able to multitask. You are able to actually be able to pay attention to so many data points. And that was one of the interesting things about the training with IT Online, studying and learning how to actually be a developer, build solutions, manage challenges with technology tools. Actually makes me to be able to multitask, and I'll also be able to make sure that my work ethics is actually in line with the expectation of my job. And after catching up with all the work from yesterday, what I now do is myself into the full day. And how that begins is to actually wait for my clients to call me, and some of them still prefer actually sending the good old email, and I actually like that because I can follow the queue system here and actually respond to each of the emails. I can also see some of the challenges that they're having, not being able to access some of our digital platforms, not being able to actually do what they need to do when they are actually transacting, and I also look into that. And if I'm not able to actually resolve that, what I actually focus on, which is actually troubleshooting for them, I put them through to my other colleagues who it's also a queue system. So I try to make sure I have that ownership stake in taking a query and making sure everything is properly sorted. And if I couldn't sort it, I can actually do a good handshake to my colleague who will be able to get this sorted. And apart from, I also do a lot of meetings with the team, and the team actually make sure that we are resolving issues from a technology point of view, from a service point of view, to actually make sure we keep our clients very happy. When I was actually doing my course, I was able to know that every tech project, every tech challenges is actually different, and every client will be different. And I've been able to actually see that, because every opportunity, every challenge is an opportunity to learn, an opportunity to do better. And my day will actually end with me rounding off the work, checking my emails as well. I can actually see one of them here, a client who actually wants me to recommend which of the tech platform is going to use to deploy at his premise. And after the end of the day, I sign off, and if there's anything I'm not able to resolve, I also do a handshake. And here is my day in the life as a financial services expert.